How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new camera, I guess, and it's going to be the Canon Powershot G9X. So, like I said, I just got this in the mail today, just a couple hours ago. I didn't have time to do a video before that, but now I have a few minutes, but I'm still going to have to keep this video relatively short because I have stuff that I have to get done. So, also, this will only be the unboxing, so I will not be reviewing the camera at all. I'll just be showing you guys what all comes in the box and like what the camera looks like and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I have to say. Oh yeah, if you want to know the full story about why I got this camera, I'll put a link down in the description and you can go and watch that video. And then also, but I'll just give you guys like a brief rundown about what happened. Basically, my Canon DSLR, which is the one that I had before this camera, it was just too big, too bulky. I like the quality, but I figured that I could probably get a better camera with better quality for about the same price. So I sold that camera and I got this guy right here, the Canon Powershot G9X. And yeah, it's basically the rundown about why I got this camera. So, and I'm also leaving for Florida in 3 days, or around 3 days, I think. And I'll be needing a small, lightweight camera that I can use in the airport and on the airplanes. So that's another reason why I got this, and also I got my new case for this as well today. So it's a hard shell case, and I got that to protect it. Alright, so without further ado, I guess we'll just get this unboxed. Hopefully I don't bump the camera. Try not to leak my address or anything. Also, I got this off of Amazon because the other one wasn't supposed to come in until later, so I just had to buy it off of Amazon. Alright, so the box is open, and great job, Amazon, with the packing. Just an empty box, and I'm hoping that this is the black version. That's the one I got, but I think they sent me the gray version. That doesn't really matter though to me. So anyway, yeah. So here's the box right here. Hang on, let me reposition here. Okay, so right here we have the Canon, and then you have a picture of the camera right there. Powershot G9X Mark II. Oh yes, this is the Mark II, by the way. On the bottom of the box, you have Canon Powershot G9X Mark II. Another picture of the camera. Canon Powershot G9X Mark II. Some barcodes and stuff. It says black, but it looks silver to me. Maybe it just all the boxes are all silver. There are contents, some specs about the camera, I guess. And then Powershot G9X Mark II, another picture of the camera. Alright, now we'll get it unboxed. So the real reason why, actually, here's the back real quick. So the main reason why I chose this camera is, one, it was pretty similar in price as the one that I sold. And also, okay, hopefully this doesn't all fall out. And also, this has a touchscreen. That's going to be hard. I'll do my best. Okay. So obviously on top you have your typical... Ooh, that was almost bad. Okay, I'm just going to set this down and then I'll bring out everything. This is a bad angle to do this, and this is a bad place to do this, but whatever. Alright, so here you have some stuff just about the camera. Obviously you have your warranties, your getting started book, and then something that Canon wants you to register for. Typical. Then obviously you get your battery charger with that. Looks pretty similar, maybe just a bit smaller than the last one that was on my Canon DSLR. Trying to make sure that I get everything out before I get the camera. This is a really tough angle to do this. I don't know what. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so here's the battery. It's way smaller than my old battery was for my other camera. And then a little strap for the camera, which I'll probably be using just so I don't drop it or anything like that, even though I will be using a tripod. And last but not least, here's the camera itself. Obviously, it's so much more smaller. It feels nice, but I guess let's get it opened here. They did send me the black one. This is nice. This looks way better. I'm already in love with this. It's so much more smaller. I mean, granted, there's not as much grip. Well, I mean, there's grip. There's like nothing to like physically hold your hand around. But it still feels nice. Obviously, it has that touchscreen, the LCD touchscreen. Yeah, looks really nice actually. Here's like your charging thing right there, and then the HDMI input or outputs, excuse me, I believe, right there. Hopefully I don't break this. Oh boy. They'll go like that. On the bottom is where your card and your battery go, right there. So I'm trying to do this all, but right there you have the tripod mount in the front of the camera. Canon, your little mini flash thing right there. Canon zoom lens, 3 to 15, and then 10.2 to 30.6 millimeters. And then G9X right there. Here's your pop-up flash. There's where you can change the modes up on top. There's your shutter button with your zoom right there, on-off switch. And I think that's like a backplay or whatever it's called. And right there is how you control the flash. Can you just do that right now? Yeah, it goes like that. Pretty nice. Then on the back you have your LCD touchscreen, your record button. I don't know what that does. Menu button, info button. And then here's your Wi-Fi thing. So you click this to activate it on Wi-Fi so you can connect it to like your phone and stuff. So I believe that's basically it for the camera. Sorry guys that this was such a brief like little video here. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and what goes in the box and what kind of camera I got, you know, just things like that. So anyway, that is going to be it for this video. I know that it was super brief, and I'm sorry about that. I wish I would have more time, but I just had to get this video out as fast as possible because I wouldn't have time to record it later, and I'm busy for the next couple hours, so I had to get it done now. So anyway, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, do remember to hit that like button, and if you are at all new to my channel and enjoy these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at G9X1272, and I will see you guys in the next video.